Yo, what's up guys? Just want to show you this pretty cool Italian stiletto switchblade knife that got today. It's not a real knife, you can probably tell by looking at it, but it's actually a comb. Like see? The blade. Or blade comb. That thing. And if you close it and you can lock it as well, it doesn't open. It's pure locked and opens again. So I thought it was pretty cool. Just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, comment if you wanna know where I got it and how much it was and all that stuff. So thanks. Deuces.